Hello everyone, I'm Yuri Urano. Now, Bitwig 6 introduces a new feature, automation clip. That's a really practical tool that makes organizing and editing automation much faster and more flexible. In this part, I show you how to use it in your workflow, along with some unique features you might not expect. So now let's dive in. In Bitwig 6, you can treat automation almost like regular clips, including scaling and stretching them directly in a timeline. So let's work on the arranger. There are a few ways to create automation clips. So first, when you want to create an automation clip with same length as parent clip, hold Option and click in the length slightly above or below the automation curve. So then you can create it immediately. If you want to create automation clips for all lengths at once, Shift, Option, and click in any automation length. Then all automation wrapped into automation clips across each length. You can also select a parent node or audio clip and press Command and G. Then the related automation will be wrapped into clips. This works like looping. You can create automation clips with or without parent clips. So hold Option and click in the arranger. Then you can create the clips based on the grid size. And you can use pencil for this too. When you hold Option and drag it, you can extend its length. And with the time selection tool, select the range, then use shortcut Command and G. You can find it in the right-click option. So this one, wrap as automation clip. And I think sometimes you want to convert it back. You can do it. First, select the clip, right-click, and choose Button as Track Automation. Or use the shortcut Shift Command G. Similar to automation editing, changes to a parent node or audio clip can also affect the automation clips underneath. So when global automation is enabled, which is on by default, automation clips will follow those changes. You can turn this on or off depending on your situation. In the launcher, automation clips follow their parent clips, including next action settings. So now I set play next for parent clip. As you can see, the automation clip also play next clip. But they can also be triggered independently. You can also loop automation clips. Once I turn off next action, you can set looping in the inspector panel. So let's play. So as you can see, the clip is now looping. Related to this, I'll explain about free time mode. When you see a small running man icon on the automation clip, it means the clip is now in free time mode. So now the parent clip and the automation clip are same length, but I make automation clip shorter. So now let's play. So as you can see, when it's enabled, the automation ignores the parent clip's timing and loop setting. So this way, automation clips can run independently. When it's disabled, it follows the parent clip's timing. So this setting is automatically enabled in some cases, like when the timing no longer matches the parent clip. You can switch on or off in the inspector panel. You can also save and load automation clips in a library, as the same format used as MSEGs. This means you can reuse the automation curves in MSEG devices and use MSEG's curves for automation. So saving is in the right-clicking option. So you can name it and add some descriptions. And for loading, just click the plus button on the slot. And when you want to use an automation clip as modulation curve, Bitwig offers a very quick workflow. Just drag an automation clip to a device's modulator panel. It will automatically load as a segment, its envelope modulator. If you want to use it as LFO modulator, its curves, just hold Option while dragging. You can also drag it directly into a grid device. So in the same way, just drag to a clip to the palette. It will be segment. And hold Option and drag. Make it curves. And finally, you can create alias clips for automation clips. That is linked copies. It's the same as normal clips. Just hold Command and drag the clip to create alias. That's how you can use automation clips in Bitwig 6. They're a really powerful way to organize, reuse, and shape your automation. I hope this series helped you understand the new automation system more deeply. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye!